Hi everyone, I'm Ryan. I majored in English language and literature, and I also hold CELTA from Cambridge. I'm currently engaged with Delta, which is an advanced TOEFL qualification. I've been tutoring English since I was a freshman and instructing IELTS over 10 years. Undoubtedly, IELTS can help you study, live, or work internationally. Since I found it kind of challenging for candidates, I came up with an IELTS preparation package that contains so-called confidential tips and tricks from examiner's lens for both general training and academic IELTS. This special package contains developing all IELTS skills, focusing on techniques, strategies, tips and tricks. Viewing IELTS marking criteria for speaking and writing from examiner's lens. Exploring the range of IELTS vocabulary and grammar. Practicing various types of questions. Identifying the learner's weaknesses and strengths to be prioritized. Using specialized teaching techniques to motivate the learners. Creating lesson materials, visuals, and digital presentations to supplement lesson plans. I really love being able to help IELTS test takers overcome their paralyzing pressure and anxiety. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm looking forward to showing you how to get ready for IELTS.